blacksmithing shop, and he is passivating. And that's a treatment that one does for metals. Stainless steel, excuse me, he's going to teach me things, as he always does. So here he is. Oh, I better put this sound real high. There is a sound in the background, and he's doing some, what are these things, bicycle racks? Parts of bicycle racks. And this is him passivating. So you see he's got a really good set of protections on. And, oh, that's kind of interesting. That is interesting. What are you smearing on it? Yeah. You and I both didn't hear him, but that's okay. Later we will. So he's got to do this to a few of those. And that's all you pretty much do is just, that's it. This is it. Cleaning. It's a cleaning process. And then is there something else after that? Yeah? He's got to deactivate the pentacle. The chemicals. I'm sorry, I did that on purpose because I couldn't make it out. Anyway, it does smell very interesting around here. And I'm fascinated always by whatever he's making because it's not something I understand very well. And now he's going to get to the very top of it, whoops, by getting onto a stool. Well, I'm impressed. So here we are today. It's Sunday, and I haven't been to the shop for a while, and I wanted to see what was going on. And lots of progress. It's really fun, I have to tell you. Okay. Signing off.